In this video, I want to show you how to find high commission affiliate programs on impact.com. So in case you do not know Impact is an affiliate marketplace where you get the chance to work with big brands and actually earn in dollars. So I've made a lot of videos about Impact because I like this platform, and this is currently my best affiliate platform so far. So if you want to be an affiliate for Impact, of course, you need to create an account first. I have a full video that shows you that, and I'm going to put the video in the description of this video. So you need to create an account before you can come to this interface. So after that, you want to come to discover here, and here you can earn money on Impact through 3 different methods. Number 1 is the brands. This is where you work directly with brands. Number 2 is products. This is where you find physical products that you can affiliate. Number 3 is through campaigns. So if you're an influencer or an upcoming influencer, you can actually get gigs on impact.com. However, I want to talk about brands because brands gives us more flexibility and we can do this for as long as possible. So you select on brands and you want to find brands that will pay you high commission to be an affiliate for them. So on Impact, you can find brands using different filters. You can just come here and write the name. Let's say I wanted to promote some hosting services. I can come here and just type web hosting or hosting, and I'm going to find offers that are in line with web hosting services. So these are some of them, and as you can see, some of them they rejected me on these very accounts, but I can reapply later. This account doesn't have a lot of earnings or a lot of history or transaction history. So some of these brands, they are going to turn you down if you do not have all of that. So I'm going to remove hosting from here, and then this is the other way you can use to find brands on impact.com. So if you click on all brands here, you can see that we have 6,700 brands right here. So what you can do is you can come to this here where we have the C payout. All right, you can select the kind of payout method that you want. So you want to work with only brands that has that kind of payout method. So you can do cost per lead percentage, payout percentage, or cost per lead payout amount. So we want to see how much we earn. So we click on this one, cost per lead payout amount, or cost per action payout amount. So you see these guys, they pay you this one, valuemax.com, they are going to pay you 40%, 6%. This one pays from $1 to $100, which is also 10%. This one confirm stay 3% and all of that. So this is the first way that you can do that. So I'm going to show you how to actually know what these percentages are and how much you can actually earn on impact.com. So another way to find this is to come here where you have the payout models, and then you can see different payout models. So let's say we wanted to do with sales, we can just click on online sales, because in most cases sales are going to pay you the most because brands want sales. All right, so again, if you click on sales, you see all the high payout commissions here. You see all the payout commissions. You can come back here, change it again to payout amount. So let's look at the payout amount, and then we are going to give it some time to come up, and we see all the payout amounts right here. All right, so now let me show you another way that you can use to do this, and that is by selecting the categories that you want to market in. So let's say you are in the baby and bath, or bath and beauty, or career, college, computers, consumer electronics, diet, and all of that. So let's say for me, I'm usually in the software and services, especially with online businesses. So I'm just going to see if I can find something like that. So let's look at server hosting. So I click on server hosting. I'm going to remove this payout model. So we are basically looking for just server hosting offers here, and we'll see how much each of these companies will pay us for helping them affiliate their product and helping them get sales. Remember, affiliate marketing is a game of sales and numbers. So you want to join programs or affiliate offers that are in line with what you like to do already. For me, this is largely what I like to do. I do online businesses and I try to affiliate product that relates to online businesses. This way it's easier for me because it's already in line with what I do. So I actually switched to shoes because the one I selected was taking a lot of time. And here we can see different things. We can even see Adidas, and this is a partnership marketing. You can see this is Adidas Canada, backcountry calls and all of that. So these are like quite popular fashion brands that you can affiliate. And the good thing with this is that these brands, they have good audience already. They have loyal audience and ready to buy audience. For instance, this is Crocs, and Crocs is a multi-billion business, and we can do Crocs for EU, Crocs for France, Crocs for I think Germany, Netherlands, Finland, UK, SG, I don't know where is SG, and a whole lot of them. So this is how you go about finding high affiliate offers on impact.com. So I'm just going to try to join one of them, and I'll show you how to understand what you are going to be earning. So this is Adidas Mexico. So let me just look for okay, let's just use this one, Gap. So to apply, you basically just click on that, and it's going to tell you what these brands want or what they consider sales. So the first thing to understand is that this brand is for the United States. So you have to get your traffic from the United States, and this brand is women apparel, men apparel, shoes, jewelry, watches, bags, and accessories. If you come down, it's going to give you a short description of this brand. All right, and this is their funding rates, the acceptance rates, their response, and the EPC. So this is what actually matters to you as an affiliate marketer, the online sale. So you earn between 1% and 2%, and you have 1-day cookie duration. This is not a good deal for me because I'm not going to push traffic for you just to have it expire in 1 day. So personally, I would not do this, but this is important for you to understand. So if you come here, you can see the details. This is their service area. Also, this link is going to be dedicated to the United States. So if you have this link and you go and get audience from another state or another country, this is not going to be tracked. All right, so this is important, and most people make this mistake, and that's why I keep talking about it around all of my videos. So if you come down, you can see when they join, their address and all of that. So if you wanted to join this that offer, I'm not going to join that because it doesn't give me good and the cookie duration is not good for me. So let's try this guy. It's called Cools. So this one is 7 days, but this is usually the case with physical products. Their duration is not as high, but at least 30 days should be fine. But these are fashion brands, so you can basically join them. Again, this one, they target the United States and all of that. So let's find something that is going to give us more duration or more cookie duration. So let's say I wanted to look into the gaming niche. So I'm just going to look at gaming and see if we can find anything for gaming. Okay, let's look at Lenovo. I already have a video about Lenovo or even Logitech. So let's look at Logitech. And so you can see these guys, they give us 30 days, which is fair enough. So if you push traffic to these links, they have 30 days to make this purchase. So if I wanted to apply to this, all I have to do is come here, click on apply, and then I'll basically write a brief summary or application on how why I should be accepted into this program. My next video, I'm going to talk about how to write this so that you get approved almost immediately. So if you want to check that out, make sure to subscribe. My name is 𝐌𝐚𝐬𝐭𝐞, and I'll see you in my next video. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.